Hello guys, and welcome to another market update video. Today we're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin as always. We had a massive push yesterday. I posted a video, I had some short zones way below this price, and that was before the news. I didn't predict that news, so it happens. I was wrong. I'm happy to admit I was wrong. My areas didn't work. It was actually just too early to short, and that's just the way it is. But the good thing, I said in the video, and I was long with the target of something local, something down before down here, But I left the runner when I saw the momentum, and that played out amazingly. Removed some risk around here, removed some risk around this local, and also removed more risk up here right now. But the thing is, we are approaching pretty key resistance, and I don't see any reason to chase new longs here. The only thing I see as a good idea right here would be to be careful on chasing new longs. I've taken a scalp short from this zone because I believe that this is a great area to look for a short. We can go a little bit higher too for a new short, but between 67.2 and 67.8 is a key resistance zone, for at least for now. So I'm taking a short from that already. It's basically a scalp, so I'm going to remove the risk pretty soon. But for now, I have taken a short, and I've also taken profits on the long. We have seen Nasdaq had a great move today, so I wouldn't be as surprised if you see some retrace tomorrow, potentially, or during Asia. But this zone is extremely key for me. If we would get a breakout and then a retest, I believe we're going to see 70k before any major new lows, just based on structure and how the momentum looks overall. But we have seen a pretty aggressive move to the upside, at least this last wave. And I believe some retrace is healthy and some retrace is on the way to the downside. You can just take a look at my key SNR zones, which I have marked out a little bit higher time frame, and go to the daily chart, for example. And you can see we are pretty much trying to reclaim some kilos, which have been great support previously. And if you get a pullback towards maybe 65, 65.5, looking for a long could be a good idea, with at least a bullish scenario. But it will depend on how we react to a pullback. And go to my normal chart and look at the lower time frames. And we are pretty much in the middle of zones. We got a scalp reaction from this, a few scalp reactions from this key resistance zone we had yesterday. But I don't really have anything clear on the levels right now. I want to see lower for a new long. I want to see higher for a short. I'm in a scalp short from here, but maybe going up here somewhere, but it'd be a nice area to look for a new short. For a potential, no. But I'm not going to tell you like, I'm going to long there, I'm going to short there, I'm going to watch for triggers both ways. And I'm pretty much relatively unsure all around. I think this move is pretty impulsive and pretty sketchy. I think some retrace is on the way. I may be wrong, but if not today, tomorrow is likely a day to see some retrace, in my opinion. Or maybe we pump all the way towards FOMC, I don't know, but I think a pullback is loading. But it has many different... We can, for example, if the FOMC is crazy bullish, we may get another fuel to the upside, potentially, of course. But if the FOMC is bearish, and this is potentially just a sell, buy the rumor, sell the news, for example, or I don't know, just time will tell. But right now I'm not very sure on what to expect. But I'm going to watch my zones, I'm going to watch for triggers, that's all I always do. But I don't really have any clear scalping and long setups and short setups right now. It's the zone above, key zone, and I have some key zones below. I'm watching, for example, this zone below for a reaction. It would be a flip zone right now. But right here, I'm not really interested in doing anything major. But I'm going to drop a video tomorrow. At least I'm going to drop videos every day. Share my scalping and day trading setups tomorrow. I'm also going to share the setups and trades in my own group. I've been a little bit careful there today, just based on the overall look, and just stick to scalping for now. But if you want to join my group, first link in the description. And if you need places to trade, also link in the description. I'll see you with a new video tomorrow. Bye.